जय श्रीमन्नारायण. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 8th చాప్టర్ అక్షర పరబ్రహ్మయోగము 26th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, the path in which Sukla Paksham is there, that is known as Archiradi Margam, and the path in which Krishna Paksham is there, that is known as Dhumadi Margam. And those who travels in Archiradi Margam, they do not come back and again take birth on this earth. They don't take birth. And those who travels in Dhumadi Margam, they will come back to this earth and takes birth. Oh Arjuna, these two paths, one is for Jnani, that means those who wants to attain me, and another one is for those who does Punya Karma. For these two categories, those two paths, Archiradi Margam, Dhumadi Margam, they are permanent, they are eternal. These paths are eternal. That is what not only I am saying, but it is emphasized by our Vedas. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma making it very clear that his teachings are the essence of Vedas. Now, having Sri Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Sukla Krishne Gati Khyete Jagataha Sasvate Mate Ekaya Yatyanavruttim Anyaya Avartate Punaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad-Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, third Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his teachings to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad-Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, this sthavara, that means immovable entities like trees, tiryak, that means animals, and humans, these three varieties of Srushti comes under Vaikruta Srushti. And in this Vaikruta Srushti there are two types. One is Deva Sargam, another one is Kumara Sargam. And from Chaturmukha Brahma, first Sanat Kumara, those 4 children comes out. That is what is known as Kumara Sargam. And now I am going to tell you Deva Sargam. Devatas are 8 types. One is Pitru Devatas. The second one is Asura. Third one is Gandharvas, Apsarasas. Fourth one is Siddhas. Fifth one Yaksha, Rakshasa. Sixth one Charana. Seventh one Bhuta, Preta, Pisacha. Eighth one Kinnara, Kimpurusha, Vidyadhara. These are the 8 types of Devatas. Oh Vidra, now the time and Manvantaras, those Manus who ruled those Manvantaras. I am going to tell you about time, Manvantara, Manus. Paramatma is there in Chaturmukha Brahma as an Antaryami. And Paramatma with his Sankalpam through Chaturmukha Brahma Srujati Amogha Sankalpa Atmaiva Atmanam Atmana. He brings out this entire Srishti at once. This Srishti is not done one after one. At once everything comes out. That is how the Srishti is done with Paramatma Sankalpam. Indra, Devatas, all these will be there in every Kalpam. Asuras also will be there in every Kalpam. Their names, their shapes also will be same in every Kalpam. Now the time, we cannot measure the time. The Surya, sun, if he travels through a Paramanu, an atom, the duration of Surya's traveling through the atom, that is known as Paramanu Kalam. And Surya's traveling time through 12 Rasis, that is known as Mahakalam. This Mahakalam is the highest measurement of time, the last measurement of time. Like this, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 26th sloka. Shukla Krishne Gati Khyete Jagataha Sasvate Mate Ekaya Yatyana Vruttim Anyaya Avartate Punaha. Shukla Krishne Gati Khyete Jagatas Sasvate Mate Ekaya Yatyana Vruttim Anyaya Vartate Punaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.